Hello, this is the Batteries.com tech team, and today we're going to learn how to replace the battery in a Dell laptop. Not difficult, it really only requires the push of a button, but we'll talk about some of the safety tips to protect yourself and your laptop during the process. Before you do anything, shut down the laptop and unplug it from the wall. Next, we'll close up the laptop and flip it over to reveal the battery. A simple slide of the release trigger will allow the battery to easily separate from the laptop frame. This is a good time to inspect and clean the battery contacts seen here. Consult your laptop manual to learn how to do this. Next, we'll do the same for the replacement battery. In this case, I'll just use the old one. Inspect the contacts in the battery as well to ensure that they're clean. When installing the new battery, there will often only be one way in which it will go back into the compartment. Nope, that won't work, so let's try the other side. There we go, a nice satisfying click as the release locks it into place. While we're at it, let's check out the power port on the back to make sure it's clear as well. As always, check your manual for cleaning and charging information. All good, and time to open the laptop back up and try the new battery out. After you verified that the new battery works without the power cable, you'll want to plug it back in to get a full charge on the new battery before steady use. And that's it. Hope this was helpful, and check back with Batteries.com for more useful guides on keeping your favorite electronics powered up and ready to go.